If you're looking for wireless color changing wall lamps that will add a touch of luxury to your home, consider this one. It was gifted to me by the seller, but all the opinions expressed in this video are my own. They had no influence on what I can or cannot say. Now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and start with an unboxing. And then I'll install it, and then I'll give you my personal thoughts. So this set comes as a pair, meaning that there are 2 lamps in this box. Everything I'm taking out has been nicely wrapped to prevent damage. The metal plate and rod pieces feel nicely made. I also like that they include all the hardware with it, from wall anchors, screws, and mounting brackets. The best piece is the light. I really like how it looks and how solid it feels. The light is really nicely diffused with this cover, and I absolutely love it. It has a magnet on the back to mount to the inside of the cones. It also comes with 2 remotes, even though you only need one to operate both of the lights. There are preset colors that I can change to. There's also a timer as well, so the lights will turn off after a certain amount of time. I'm gonna test it and place it inside of the cone, and wow, it looks pretty good already. I'm going to speed up the assembly of one of the lamp here so that you can have a general idea of how to do it yourself. Basically, you thread the top and bottom rod to the middle piece, and then the middle piece to the circular plate, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple to assemble. Now let's do the install. To install this correctly, measure how high you want it to be. Then use a level to help make sure that it's straight. Mark 2 dots for the anchors, then use a drill to drill 2 holes into the wall. Push the anchors into the wall. Then using the 2 screws, fasten the bracket to the anchors. Once you're done with that, position the circular plate so that the 2 screws can come out of the holes. Then use the caps to tighten the plate to the wall. After all of that, you can now place the light in, and voila! A nice luxury looking light that can change color based on your mood. So my opinion on this is I really like how this lamp looks. While I didn't have any furniture that matches the gold color, there are several different colors to choose from. But the main piece here is the light. I really like this light. I like how soft it is. I like that it's not super bright that it's gonna hurt your eyes. I like that you can choose from 3 different normal colors. You can choose a cool or a medium or a warm tone. Overall, this lamp looks really good, and the install process was really simple. So I do highly recommend it if you are looking for a way to elevate your living room without breaking a budget.